the better way to think about AI. This is where AI enters the conversation, but carefully. AI implementation is not the goal. The goal is not for you to become an AI expert, to collect tools, memorize prompts, or automate everything. The goal is to make the business easier to run. AI is simply a practical assistant. It can draft, summarize, organize, rewrite, brainstorm, clarify, and create first versions of useful business assets. But the owner stays in control. AI should not replace your judgment. It should not blindly handle sensitive decisions. It should never be trusted without review. I like to say you are the adult in the conversation. If you can't judge whether something is good or not, why would you try to delegate it to AI and hope you get something good out of it? So used properly, AI helps reduce friction. Used poorly, it becomes another confusing tool. So our approach is simple. Use AI where it helps. Keep human judgment where it belongs.